Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to work efficiently with the forestry cutter. I have the FRC 200 2-meter wide forestry cutter with T770. For me, it's the best combination because it's compact and powerful set for the forestry applications. The attachment itself is pretty simple. It has a heavy-duty robust frame with the 2-meter wide drum with the 36 teeth directly mounted on the drum. Then you have the front gate, which helps you can close it, especially when you're mulching, so the material doesn't fly out. You have also this bar, which you can adjust in 3 positions, and it helps you to bend the trees and the bushes in front of the attachment. To work with this attachment, you need forestry application kit. Forestry application kit contains several additional protections on the machine. So it's protection for the quick couplers. It's special bulletproof front window. It's the extra protection from the front lamps. Additional protection for the roof. Polycarbonate side windows. And also protection for the rear lamps. What I recommend to use also the seal kit. Seal kit will avoid collecting all the debris from the forest flying in the engine compartment. On this machine we also installed LED side light kit, which helped me for the side visibility at night. When you arrive to the job site, you activate the high flow auxiliary, full RPM, and then by the right finger on the right joystick from the front you activate the rotation. By the left finger you can control the gate. I keep it open for now because for the first pass. Then I need to check the manometer on the attachment. I need to keep it below 200 because if I pass or if I go over 200, it's slow down the rotation and it's not efficient anymore. So in case it goes over 200, you just slow down or leave the attachment and it will work. So then you just keep it down, keep the good speed and go. If you have the bigger trees like I do have now, you leave the attachment and you grind it from top. And again. Better to do it by steps. To the end, close the gate to keep the material inside and go slowly backward. And it will mulch all the material for a very good result. Again, only check the manometer if it is below 200. So I have the piece of the wood stuck in the drum. Clean this pile of branches. I need to start the rotation, fully open the front gate, and then you need to push it, but when it makes the big pile, you can grind it from the top. So gate is open, push it in. I need to check the flow all the time, hold it below 200. But when it does the pile like this, I can grind it from the top. And I also go slightly backward to spread the material. And again. Got stocked, lift it, let it pick and go. Push it forward, leave the gate open. But when there is the pile, take it from the top. When I'm on the end, gate down, gate closed, and go. So to remove the stamp, I will use the combination of the pushing down and driving over. So go above the stamp, and push it, and in the same time I drive backward. And the job is done. That was quick.